Kemper Kabinet, Power Kabinet. What do we get? Let's see, first unboxing. I worked with Kemper and got a t-shirt. Kemper logo t-shirt. Goodies are always great. Huh? Let's have a look at that thing I've been waiting for. What's in the box? Might be the most boring video ever, but anyway, I think you might be interested. Oh yeah. Kemper Power Kabinet. Getting started. It's a very, very short manual for a Kemper product. Of course, you don't need a lot. Power cable, important. Power cable for another country, also important if you live in another country. This must be the dust cover, Kemper dust cover. Kind of a polyester feel, greenish. Seems rugged enough. Okay. And then for the main attraction. Very firmly padded, so nothing can happen to it, so always good. Here we go. Really firmly padded. Box aside. Ooh, this is nice and not that heavy. Not a very good box. Volume button, power button. Yeah. Nice fender-like stylish handle. Leather corner protection. Round. Power in the input, well, you don't need a lot of other things. Connect to your Kemper profiler monitor output. Thank you very much. It's all manual you'll need. And a step beneath it. With this you can tilt it. Do a tilted setup. Okay, that's it. Very quick unboxing of Kemper Power Cap. I'm gonna play it, maybe make some other videos, also see how it compares to my Mission Engineering. Sorry for the bad audio quality, guys. This was a quick and dirty thing. I'm more interested in playing it than in showing it, to be honest. Okay, probably do some reviews on how it sounds. Bye. Yeah, let's put the dust cover on to see how that looks like. Yeah, that's firm. Should have made it a bit larger so it easily moves over. But okay, it works. made to play and not to put a cover on it.